Hey guys, Vikas here. How to fix iPhone not showing dark mode. Let's check and fix it. Swipe down, open Control Center. Dark mode not showing. Tap plus icon, add it to your control center. That's it.